Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources.
Forex Live. September 27, 1920 America, New York. In case you missed it, Bank of England Governor Bailey once again flagged rate hike prior to QE ending. Governor Andrew Bailey spoke on Monday UK time. Earlier post. Bloomberg have a recap of his speech, where Bailey's words may be gated.
New York Times Business. September 27, 1917 America, New York. Ford will build 4 factories in a big electric vehicle push. The automaker and a supplier will spend $11.4 billion on 3 battery factories and a truck plant, creating 11,000 jobs. A prototype of an all-electric F-150 Lightning truck at Ford and AMP. RSQUO's Rouge plant in Dearborn, Michigan, this month. The Library of Economics and Liberty. September 27, 1914 America, New York. Man on a tightrope. Various commentators over the years have pointed out that while the number of movies about the horrors of Nazism is large, as it should be, the number of movies about the horrors of communism is small, as it shouldn't be.
BBC News Business. September 27, 1906 America, New York. Taliban. Afghanistan bank boss warns sector near collapse. The head of one of Afghanistan's biggest banks says the country's financial sector is near collapse. BBC News Business. September 27, 1903 America, New York. Homeworking helps careers, say majority of women. Just over half of women think working from home will help advance their careers, says a survey for the BBC.
Forex Live. September 27, 1859 America, New York. China has released 2 captive U.S. citizens held since 2018. More promising news on China-U.S. relations follows this from the weekend. Wall Street Journal now with the news. Journal may be gated.
Naked Capitalism. September 27, 1855 America, New York. Direct contracting entities. The latest scam to privatize Medicare. Direct contracting entities are another scam from the usual suspects. Please sign the petition at the end.
Forex Live. September 27, 1851 America, New York. Chinese media says to expect a crackdown on high coal prices, citing power shortages, cuts to factory output. China's Global Times with the report, saying that experts believe that Chinese authorities will launch new measures, including a crackdown on high coal prices, to ensure a steady electricity supply. Forex Live. September 27, 1839 America, New York. Goldman Sachs has cut its China 2021 GDP forecast to 7.8%. From 8.2% previously. Property sector concerns are being expressed in cut forecasts. Goldman Sachs has also slashed their Q3 GDP projection for China to 0% Q. Forex Live. September 27, 1814 America, New York. U.S. Senate will block the government funding bill, as expected. Federal workers are about to get thrown to the wolves again by the U.S. Senate. The Republicans have extended the debt limit theater again, blocking funding.
New York Times Business. September 27, 1813 America, New York. The U.S. debt ceiling. Everything you need to know. Political polarization turned a tool for fiscal responsibility into a recipe for economic calamity. The U.S. Capitol in Washington. Lawmakers are expected to vote on whether or not to raise the debt limit on Monday.
Forex Live. September 27, 1754 America, New York. North Korea has launched another missile, unidentified projectile, into the East Sea. North Korea's representative to the United Nations is just about to address the General Assembly. South Korean media carry the report of the pre-speech missile launch. Forex Live. September 27, 1747 America, New York. Here's who is replacing Rosengren and Kaplan as Federal Reserve presidents. Boston Federal Reserve President Rosengren and Dallas Federal Reserve President Kaplan both resigned on Monday the 27th of September 2021 in case you missed it. These two were perceived as towards the hawkish end of the Federal Open Market Committee spectrum, likely to look for taper and an eventual hike sooner rather than later.
Global Economy. September 27, 1742 America, New York. First FT. Fed official warns of extreme market reaction to U.S. default. Republican set to block bill raising debt ceiling. SPD's narrow win in Germany. China tightens abortion controls.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. September 27, 1733 America New York, Merck nears deal to acquire Acceleron Pharma. An agreement could be completed as soon as this week, giving a lift to pharmaceutical giants' work on treatments for rare diseases.
Forex Live, September 27, 1732 America New York, Fed's Bostic says not facing a long bout of troublesome inflation. Remarks by Atlanta Fed President, Raphael Bostic and
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. September 27, 1726 America New York, entertainment giant endeavor to buy sports betting business for $1.2 billion. The acquisition from Scientific Games is the latest deal to build on the booming U.S. sports wagering industry.
Forex Live, September 27, 1716 America New York, Shenzhen government moves to investigate Evergrande. The PBOC seeks to reassure housing investors. Justin posted the People's Bank of China statement highlights overnight in case you missed it. In amongst what is a fairly generic sort of statement from the PBOC was a brief comment on housing investors.
BBC News Business. September 27, 1700 America New York, fuel supply. Army put on standby to ease pressure on petrol stations. Military drivers are being trained so they are ready to be deployed if necessary, the government says. Wall Street Journal Markets. September 27, 1656 America New York, activist hedge fund Starboard has big stake in Huntsman. The exact changes Starboard intends to push for to improve its stock performance couldn't be learned. Huntsman's shares are little changed since the company's 2005 initial public offering.
Forex Live, September 27, 1655 America New York, Forex Live America's FX News Wrap. Fed officials don't see rate hikes anytime soon. Forex news for North American trading on September 27, 2021. There were a number of Fed officials speaking today and two that announced their retirement. The ones that spoke, Evans, Williams, Briannard, spoke specifically to rate changes not being anytime soon. Forex Live, September 27, 1648 America New York, Trade Ideas Thread, Tuesday the 28th of September 2021. Good morning, afternoon and evening all. Any charts, technical analysis, trade ideas, thoughts, views, Forex Live traders would like to share and discuss with fellow Forex Live traders, please do so.